If you move between browsers, so let's say you always were a user of Chrome and then you move into Edge or vice versa, you need to be able to take all of your browsing data with you. So that's your usernames, passwords, your history, your bookmarks. Because after a while, you end up personalizing a browser to work best for you. You don't want to have to do that all over again. Now, moving this data around is very easy, and I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. The main reason I'm showing you two ways is depending on the setup, one way might be blocked by your IT admins. So I'm going to show you two. So the quickest and easiest way by far is using the built-in importer. So to do that, if you take on the left here, I've got Microsoft Edge, and on the right, I've got Google Chrome. You can see visually, I've got some bookmarks here, and there's no bookmarks on Edge, so we can see when the import's taking place. If I click on Edge on this favorites button at the top, and then I'm going to click on the three dots ellipses and click import favorites, that will take me straight into the settings in the right area, so it's quicker, and I can choose where I want to import from. So I'm going to say Google Chrome, and then I can choose what I want to import, so I can tick whether I want payment info, settings, etc. And then I press import, and it's that quick and it's all done. And you can see, look, I've now got my bookmarks, and it's also pulled over my passwords and other things as well. Now, if for any reason that doesn't work, the other way of doing it is I go into Chrome, and I'm going to go to bookmarks, bookmark manager, and this will have all my bookmarks for me. And if I want to export these as a file, I'll click on the three dots at the top right, and I'm going to click export bookmarks, and I'll export it just onto my desktop for now as a file with today's date on. And then when I go over here back to Chrome, I need to then import these. So again, I'm going to click favorites. I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to click import. Only this time, I'm going to choose it from a file. And I'm going to locate the file I've just exported. Press OK. And it's done exactly the same thing, but in a different way, in a slightly more manual and long-winded way. But there are two ways where you can transfer your bookmarks between two browsers.